Axos Bank High Yield Savings Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. But not all high-yield savings accounts are truly high yield when you factor in fees, accessibility, and actual interest earned. Today, we're diving deep into the Axos Bank High Yield Savings Account in 2025 **. We'll cover interest rates, account features, pros, cons, and whether this account is truly worth your money. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Axos Bank is the right choice for your savings goals. What is Axos Bank? Axos Bank is digital first bank headquartered in San Diego, California. Founded in 2000, it has steadily built a reputation for high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, and various lending products. Because it operates primarily online, Axos can offer higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks while keeping fees minimal. In 2025, Axos Bank continues to focus on transparent banking, competitive rates, and easy digital management making it a strong contender for anyone looking to grow their savings efficiently. Understanding high-yield savings accounts. Before we dive into Axos Bank specifics, let's quickly recap what high-yield savings account is. Higher interest rates HISA provide rates several times above the national average. Heftic insurance your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor. Liquidity money is accessible, typically through online transfers or linked accounts. Safety principal is protected. Unlike stocks or crypto investments, HISA are ideal for emergency funds, short-term savings goals, or anyone seeking risk-free growth. Axos Bank High Yield Savings Account Overview. The Axos Bank High Yield Savings Account is designed for competitive returns without the headache of fees. Here's a breakdown. 1. Interest rate as of 2025. Axos Bank offers around 4.30% APY which is above the national average of roughly 0.60%. 2. Minimum balance to open you can start with as little as $250 making it accessible for most savers. 3. Heftic insurance deposits are insured up to $250,000, ensuring safety. 4. No monthly fees Axos Bank does not charge maintenance fees, keeping your money fully working for you. 5. Easy online management access your account via web or mobile app to check balances, transfer funds, or track interests. 6. Daily compounding interest interest compounds daily, allowing your balance to grow faster. How to open and use an Axos Bank HISA. Opening and managing your account is straightforward. 1. Apply online complete a short online application with your personal information. 2. Fund your account deposit at least $250 via ACH transfer, wire, or another Axos account. 3. Earn interest interest is calculated daily and credited monthly. 4. Manage digitally monitor balances, make transfers, and set up automatic contributions. Interest rates and compounding. The Axos Bank HISA offers *4.30% APY which is compounded daily. This means you earn interest on both your principal and previously earned interest. Over time, this compounding accelerates growth, especially if you make regular deposits. For example, if you deposit $10,000, interest earned in 1 year, $430 total balance after 1 year, $10,430. If you add $500 monthly, your balance can grow to over $16,000 in 1 year demonstrating the power of consistent contributions and compounding. Benefits of Axos Bank High Yield Savings Account. 1. Competitive APY higher than most traditional banks. 2. Low fees : no monthly maintenance fees or hidden charges. Free. FDIC insurance : your deposits are protected up to $250,000. 4. Easy online access : fully digital, with intuitive web and mobile interfaces. 5. Automatic savings : schedule recurring transfers to grow your account effortlessly. 6. Safe and low risk : no risk to principal, unlike investments in stocks or crypto. Potential drawbacks: online only bank: no physical branches, which may be a limitation for some. Minimum opening balance: $250 may be high for very new savers. Limited withdrawals: federal regulations allow only 6 withdrawals per month. Variable APY: rates can change with market conditions, which may affect growth over time. Who should consider Axos Bank HISA? Emergency fund savers: ideal for building a liquid, safe cash reserve. Short-term goal savers: perfect for vacations, weddings, or home renovations. Risk-averse investors: offers better returns than a checking account without risking principal. Digital banking users: best for people comfortable with fully online banking. Maximizing your savings. 1. Deposit early: the sooner your money is in the account, the more it can compound. 2. Automate contributions: set up recurring deposits to grow your balance consistently. 3. Monitor rate changes: keep an eye on APY fluctuations, adjust savings if needed. 4. Avoid excess withdrawals: stay within the 6 per month limit to prevent complications. 5. Combine with other accounts: consider pairing with CDs or other high-yield accounts for diversified growth. Axos Bank vs competitors. Ally Bank savings account: slightly lower rates, strong mobile platform, 24/7 support. Marcus by Goldman Sachs: similar APY, highly reputable, easy online interface. Synchrony Bank high yield savings: offers competitive rates and ATM access, which Axos lacks. Axos Bank stands out for its low fees, competitive APY, and daily compounding making it ideal for savers focused on growth rather than transactional features. Real life example: consider John, a 35-year-old saving for a home down payment. He deposits $7,500 into an Axos HISA and adds $1,000 monthly. Initial deposit, $7,500 monthly contributions, $1,000 APY, 4.30% total after 18 months, $26,500 plus interest, $800. By using Axos Bank, John grows his savings faster than he would in a traditional bank, thanks to high APY and daily compounding Final verdict. So, is Axos Bank high yield savings account worth it in 2025 ? The answer is yes for most savers seeking high returns, safety, and minimal fees It's especially strong for those who want a safe, liquid account with a competitive APY are comfortable with online only banking don't require frequent withdrawals, prioritize interest growth over extra banking features. The surprising truth is that many savers underestimate the value of high yield online savings accounts thinking all banks are the same. But with a rate like 4.30% APY, even modest deposits can grow meaningfully over time. If your goal is to maximize savings safely and efficiently, Axos Bank's high yield savings account is a top contender in 2025.